Cable, and so this is actually, this is a good kind of thing about strategy, right? So if I'm sitting here and we're currently trading 1430, right? And you're like, well, 1350, 1380 is what I'm saying could be support, right? So, you know, that's like 80 pips to the downside from the bottom to the bottom of that zone. That does not mean that I want anything to do with the short side here on Euro at the moment, right? I'm going to trade with what I think is the bigger move, which again, I think is higher, right? This is a beauty. However, that doesn't mean that there's not opportunities, excuse me, to maybe buy or be long the dollar for a short amount of time somewhere else. This is British pound, pound dollar, right? And what we've got here is this is actually had a chart in last night's update. I'll show you last night's update. Here's last night's update. Okay, so we had, here's the cable chart. So this is what we were thinking last night, A, right? Okay, B. So it looks like we've put in that little B wave high up at this nice 38.90 spot. So my thinking here, as you can see from the labels on the chart, is kind of looking towards 2 equal legs down. Also, the 618 of the rally from the low back here, late Jan, is 34.60. So 34.50, 34.60 is a decent spot. 35.60 here, resistance. We're short from that level. Very tight stop above here. Again, just, you know, this is a simple setup, and it's based primarily on the fact that you've got a 5-wave drop here in cable from that high last week to the low last week, okay? So yeah, that's about it on British pounds. But yeah, so looking down towards 34.50, 60, and then maybe actually, if you got a decent enough reaction down there, you could actually have a stab at the long side. But cable sometimes offers some really clean levels and patterns. And this right now is one of those times.